Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Linux applications on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. Before we begin, we have to set up the Linux environment on this computer, which we can do by going to the Control Center, opening the Settings menu from here, then going to About Chrome OS section on the sidebar, and setting up Linux development environment right here. Once you have finished, open your launcher menu and search for terminal here. Open it and then open the Linux Penguin terminal by clicking on it. Now before we install any application, we're gonna have to update our libraries and also the distribution. So let's enter sudo apt update, then and sudo apt dist-upgrade. Okay. Now let's continue by entering Y and pressing enter. And now let's wait until the update is finished. And now we are pretty much ready to install our first application using the command in this terminal. So let's, for example, install the GIMP application, the popular software for editing photos. To do that, we're gonna have to enter sudo apt install GIMP, then of course Y to continue. Okay, and once you want to finish installing your GIMP, we can find this application by closing the terminal, going back to the launcher menu, opening our Linux application folder, and here we have our installed GIMP. We can try to launch it, and as you can see, we got a perfectly functional GIMP version on our Chromebook. To find the commands you need to use in order to install supported Linux application on your Chromebook, you're gonna have to visit the software developers official websites, and usually they leave it on the homepage of their products. And that's pretty much all you have to do to install a Linux application on your Chromebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.